Everyone, here's a quick look at my van conversion. I converted this not too long ago, and this is my traveling companion, Benji, right here. Say hello, Benji. He was one of my helpers on the project, although whenever I asked him for a wrench, he gave me a spatula. Because you're always hungry, aren't you, buddy? Yeah, he's a furry one. But anyways, here's my van conversion. So in a camper van conversion, super important to utilize all this space. So I made these two doors that pop out on this side, and I built, or I didn't build, but I customized these hinges so this could go up all the way and go in all the way. And I did the same thing on this side. So I could sit here and work on my laptop and all that good stuff. Alright, and up here I have my sun blockers or my curtains. These were super important to kind of just, cover up the entire window here just so no sunlight gets in. Urban camping is a big deal for me. That's the reason why I went with the small van. When I was going for vans, it was a choice between three. It was the Nissan Recon Camper van. I really wanted it. It was just too much money, so I decided to do this build on my own. I also wanted a Ford Transit, and it just wasn't stealth enough because I go up to LA a lot and stealth camp. So that's the big reason why I went with this van. And yeah, these curtains came out really, really nice. And it's padded and they're magnetized. Over here, I have the storage. Super important for a small camper van. You gotta have separation somehow. Yeah, I really like it. Benji's stuff is in here too. Over here, I have the fridge. Come on over here, Dad. And nothing currently in here right now because I'm cleaning up everything. I upgraded this guy because my other fridge was too small, so yeah, I like it. So over here we have the curtain, and this is a total blackout curtain. The cloth is actually, I threaded it in the very top here, and buttons on the side so no sunlight gets through. Over here we have the sink, and this is actually my shower as well. So when I'm outside, I can shower when this door is open. So really handy. We have the gas stove over here. And when you're working with a small van conversion, something this small really helps out. We have the battery gauge right here. This is at 91%. It's just because I plugged in the refrigerator, so it's gonna be down at 90 for a while. We have dimmer lights over here. Goes pretty low. We have a 3-prong plug. And right here we have the drop-down desk. So if I want to drop this down to work or to get to anything, got this guy right here. All right, and now we have the fantastic fan up here. Super important, so it takes out all the gases and everything out and brings it on the outside. And I don't know if these are worth mentioning, but these are bolts. These are covers covering the bolts for the solar panels. And I have an organizer here, which, you gotta have an organizer in a small van conversion. All right, let's go ahead and head on the outside. All right, now it's time for the bed here. So I kind of had to work with the safari seats that I have. So it's kind of a funny way that I did it. I had to build a custom table that pops out of the floor, and let me show you how I did that. So if I unlatch this guy, you gotta kind of come over here so you can see what's going on. And flips over like that. And come on,
seat
follow
folds
me.
down. The seat folds down.
Follow me over here.
Okay.
So, bring this out. And this actually flattens out when you lay on it. I made sure of that when I made it. And yeah, it's really comfortable and it works for me, so I really like it. And folding it back up, really simple. Just like that. The solar panels are 300 watts up here. Got the fantastic fan and all that good stuff that you can see. I attached this awning under the solar panels just to give it a really nice, clean look. And let's go down to the electrical. So we have the plumbing, and again the outside shower right here, and this super important for a van conversion, just because, you know, or actually just it's really important for Benji because I need to wash him because he really stinks. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you down here. We have the electrical. I'm gonna do a more in-depth look on the electrical. I know it looks a little unorganized, but it really isn't. Everything is numbered and all that good stuff with tape, so I know what's going on. This strap is actually to hold the microwave in place, but I've replaced the microwave with the stove because I just like it more. And a quick look at the front cab. 2 seats. We have a nice little screen right here. We have a car camera. Everything's installed behind the back. Really nice add-on. Really expensive, but worth it. The vehicle currently has almost 50,000 miles.